Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Deacon, aka Edikoko, aka Queen of DIYs. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. You already know what time it is. It's time for one of our amazing DIYs on this channel, and this is part of our homemade DIY recipes. You can easily make this with ingredients just laying around your kitchen. You don't have to be a skincare guru or a formulation whiz to be able to do this. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. But first of all, if you're new, I will need you to subscribe, click on the notification bell to make sure you're notified every single time that I post a video. And also, all the information for this video will be listed in the description box and some other important information. So do well to check that out. Please, before we go ahead, thumbs up this video. And if homemade remedies are your cup of tea, I'll be posting more of this on this channel. So definitely make sure that you are subscribed. Drop a comment down below. Let me know how you feel about this. I like to read comments from you guys. Now, without taking more of your time, let's get to work. So first, we are going to get our stuff ready to start working. So here, I'm just taking a grater and I'm taking our ingredients. As you can see, it's just easy things you can find in your kitchen: carrot, lemon, and potato. So first, I am going to try to get the zest out of the lemons. Now, lemon zest are very rich in skin brightening properties. Lemon is one of our favorite ingredients in this channel because of its many benefits to the skin. So yeah, first I'm gonna try to get the zest out of the lemon, and I'm just using my grater and I'm grating all around just to get the peel. When I say zest, I mean the peel of the lemon. So this is the important part we are going to be working with. So now I'm just doing the same with my potato. So I washed up my potato thoroughly to make sure that it is clean. And yes, I'm working with the potato skin as well. I didn't peel it because I just find that it is very rich that way. So this is an optional thing. You don't have to use the peel as well. You can peel your potatoes before doing this, but I just prefer to use it this way. So next, I am going to also go in with my carrots. And now, if you realize what I'm doing here, I'm using mostly ingredients that are very skin brightening and beneficial to the skin. So this is going to work as a base. It's going to form a base for our active, for us to make our cream with. So I'm also grating my carrots, and I felt like I needed more potatoes, so I went in with more. And then I went in again with more carrots. With this, you can really just eyeball it. There's really like no specific measurements to this. It's just how much ingredients you can get out of this. So it really depends on how much you want to use. So now I'm just putting these three shreds together and I'm mixing it up properly. And now I'm going in with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is also rich in skin brightening properties, so we are really doing the most for this cream right now. And now I'm just giving that a good stir, and I'm going to just cover that up with a cling film and put it aside for a little while for all the ingredients to come together. So after I've left it for about 2 hours or more, I'm now going to take a sieve, and and now I am trying to get the juice out of this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze all the juice out. I'm literally gonna squeeze the life out of this because I'm selfish when I'm working with this. I want everything, so I'm just making sure to squeeze everything out. I think without talking further, we can see how rich this juice is already. So you already know that this is goodness to the skin right here. And these are all like amazing natural ingredients, so there's nothing to worry about. Just a quick home fix remedy for the skin. And yeah, now I'm going in with my aloe vera gel and also Ewax. Now the Ewax is optional. So the aloe vera gel looks green because I think they added some colorant to it for aesthetic reasons. But yes, if you have a clear aloe vera gel, it's pretty much the same thing. Don't worry, you don't have to look for the one that is green as well. So now I'm just stirring that up well. And bear in mind that I warmed up my aloe vera a little bit using the double boiler method. So I put the bowl with the aloe vera in hot water to just warm it up a little bit, since I'm going to be adding Ewax, because you don't want to add Ewax to a cold aloe vera gel, because it's just gonna react, it's gonna get lumpy. So I warmed it up before I did this process, and then I added my skin whitening juice, and now I'm just going in with my Ewax. And like I said, adding the Ewax is pretty optional. You can leave it the way I was doing it before, but I like to add Ewax because it just gives it that creamy texture that I like. It comes out perfectly as a cream. So now I'm just going back in with more of my skin whitening juice. And like I said, I wanted every single thing out of this juice. It's such a potent mix. So I'm just stirring that up properly. Now stirring this is really important because you want everything to go in properly. If you have like a kitchen whisk, even better, like an egg whisk, even better. But I did not have that at the moment, so I had to work with a spatula, like an old spatula, so it's sort of like a one. So now I'm pretty much done with my skin whitening cream, and as you can see, the formula is so luscious. And I'm just transferring that into a storage container. You can use a lotion bottle, preferably a brown or amber bottle as we call it. So now I'm just taking a little bit and putting it in another jar. I wanted like something handy that I can have in my bag because it's for the summer months. So yeah, that's it for our cream. And yeah, I think this video came right in time for summer, so I decided to film it now. This is like a lightweight cream that would help in just brightening your skin tone in the summer months. And yeah, it's just a very luscious cream. It glides gently and it's very supple on the skin. It's gonna give you the skin brightening effect. You can use it on your face and on your body, and like I mentioned, it's lightweight, so you don't have to bother about sweating off in the summer months. So yeah, definitely give this a try. You're gonna love it. And yeah, we've come to the end of this video. Please make sure that you're subscribed. If you're not, click on the notification bell. I have more videos coming for you guys. Thumbs up this video, drop a comment down below to let YouTube know that you like my content, and don't forget to check the description bar for more information, and check before you ask questions because I probably have already answered your question there. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I wish you guys a perfect skin, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah!